Hey, Gizzy. Gizmo. Wait, Sarah, come on, just do it real fast. It doesn't take long. Ready? Hey, Gizmo. Aww. He gets so scared.
Come here, good boy.
He gets scared, but then he gets happy when we're like, good boy.
Good boy, Gizmo.
Can we do it again? Because that last one was a really good howl.
That was a good one.
One more, ready? He's a good boy. That's so annoying. I know when he's not howling, it just sounds crappy.
Yeah, he just sounds he's yapping.
Because the howl was like, but then he's like, it sounds like he's choking on something.
I know.
Gizmo, are you a good boy? Yeah. Attack her face!
No, you're so excited now.
Gizmo. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh, God! Gizzy. Gimme. Throw it. He's like, I didn't have to carry it far at all.
Ow. You little douche monkey. He's so confused.
You're an asshole.
Where's the flame shop?
Yay. Don't take it back to her. That's right.
No.
Are you snorting?
Ah, demon. Little demon dog.
Oh, demon doesn't end with a D.
Demon.
You said
I know.
demon.
So demon.
You demon.
You grammar Nazi.
I think that's a name. Is that a name? Oh no, that's Desmond.
What are you doing?
Gizmo. Oh, he's so cute.